Right, Dreddy says, and I wasn't gonna review the, hang on, Lemxiee, that's the brand, plastic, very plastic X4 case. So I wasn't going to review it because it was just going to be a temporary solution until I can get a better one. I didn't want to pay the Pisetech 80 quid for the aluminium one. I'm probably going to have to do that. Let's look at some of the problems. So I only got this cage for one reason, was to mount the DJI Mic 2 receiver on it, because it's got two cold shoe mounts and it's 17 quid. And I'm like, right, you can't go wrong, 17 quid. You don't get this little stand, that's separate. You get the GoPro style screw on there. You get the little wrench, fair enough. But I thought, right, that's all I want it for. But these are the problems. Coming in at number 1, the official X4 Insta360 mic adapter doesn't really fit, even if you push it really hard, which I don't really want to do because it doesn't fit. So I've took the side door off. Very similar to GoPro, that style door. It works. I'm not gonna hate. So well, it doesn't work, so it's going to go back. And then coming in at number 2, this cold shoe mount here. Watch how easy it goes on at the top. See? This one, that's as hard as I want to push that, so it doesn't fit. So the side cold shoe mount doesn't work. And I guess coming in at number 3, it's cheap. It's very, very cheap. There's nothing to it. It's not even good plastic. It might be for you. Links down below. It's not for me. You guys take care, and we'll catch you for the next one.